Hello guys, what an exciting time to be alive. OpenAI has just released this fantastic model called as Sora, which enables you to create videos from text. Yes, that's right. So maybe it's time for me to close this YouTube channel because you all can simply put in some text, or maybe ChatGPT could create the text by itself, then ask Sora to create a video out of it, and that's about it. No need of any YouTubers or content creator. Maybe that is a blessing too. Anyway, coming back to the Sora, OpenAI announces Sora, which is a new text to video model. It can generate 1 minute long high quality video that already rivals Runway and also Lumiere by Google. Sora is currently being tested by experts to identify any risks or issues or problems. I have searched their website. On the only thing I could find is a technical report and no research paper at the moment. So, but I will walk you through some of the implementation details which I have gleaned from their technical report. So, primarily, what happens is that it uses a diffusion model starting with noise and then refining it into video. And of course, it is still using the transformer architecture, and it represents the video as patches. Patches are similar to what we have tokens in the text LLMs. And then it also enables us to have a lot of other data types and ranges. And of course, it has built upon the innovation from Delhi E3 for text instructions and other visual techniques. Now, having said that, as he said, Sora can create videos up to 60 seconds featuring highly detailed scenes, complex camera motions, and also multiple characters with vibrant emotion. So look at this video from their OpenAI's website, and I'll also drop the link in video's description. My system, I think these videos are quite heavy, but look at this. Look at the detail. It's a 60-second video. Looks as good as real. Amazing visuals. Let it load. And this seems like scene from Tokyo, the capital of Japan. But how realistic this video is, it's not real at all. Okay, let me show you a few more videos from Sora. And now look at this one. This is historical footage of California during the gold rush. How realistic it depicts the past, as good as real, maybe even better. Amazing stuff. Simply out of this world. Look at this. This is all AI. This is not real. Okay, let me show you a few more examples. And look at this one. This looks slightly grainy to me, but good enough, I would say. Maybe a bad camera, people would think, but no one could think that this is artificial video and it's not real. How cool is that? How good is that? And this is a video from inside the train, and you can see the shadows, the reflections. How cool it looks, really. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. Let's see some other videos. Look at this. Wow. This is just, I guess, from the Amalfi coast of Italy. Yeah, so there is a prompt. So if you look at the bottom of the video, this is a prompt. They have done that a drone camera circles around a beautiful historic church built on a rocky outcropping along the Amalfi coast. The view showcases historic and magnificent. Totally awesome. Look at the waves of the ocean. Look on the right hand side and then look around here on the left hand side. Amazing. Okay, so this is sort of bottom of the ocean floor. How good this looks. This looks a bit artificial. This octopus doesn't look that real, but still amazing stuff. How cool is that? And this is a flock of paper aeroplanes. Very nice. And the cat waking up its sleeping owner. And this is a sleeping owner. And this is not real. This is all AI. But yeah, so you can see that The human face is slightly demorphed. It's not. It doesn't look that real, especially the nose area. A cat looks real. Maybe this has been done on purpose just to distinguish between real and human. And then you have these birds in the Borneo island. Amazing. And this is the Chinese Lunar Year celebration videos. This looks so real. This looks so real, even the humans and all that stuff. How beautiful. Okay, so I could play these videos all year around. I mean, these are so awesome. But I'm just going to play these videos, but at the same time, let me give you a bit of a more technical background around this. So, what has happened here is that they have come up with this Sora, and they have taken the inspiration from large language models which acquire generalist capabilities by training on internet scale data. The success of LLM paradigm is enabled in part by use of tokens that elegantly unify diverse modalities of text code, math, and various natural languages. So, in this work, they have considered how generative model of visual data can inherit such benefits. Where LLMs have token, Sora has visual patches, as I said earlier. And this is one example of patches. Now, patches have previously been shown to be an effective representation for models of visual data. And OpenAI has found out that patches are a highly scalable and effective representation for training generative models on diverse types of videos and images. At a high level, they turn videos into patches by first compressing video into a low dimensional latent space and then subsequently decomposing the representation into space time patches. They also train a network that reduces the dimensionality of visual data. This network takes raw video as input and outputs a latent representation that is compressed both temporally and spatially. Sora is trained on and subsequently generates videos within this compressed latent space. They have also trained a corresponding decoder model that maps generated latent back to pixel space. Now, given a compressed input video, they extract a sequence of space time patches which act as a transformer token. This scheme works for images too, since images are just videos with a single frame. Their patch based representation enables Sora to train on videos and images of variable resolutions, duration, and aspect ratios. At inference time, they can control the size of generated videos by arranging randomly initialized patches in an appropriately sized grid. Now, if you look at this diagram, it shows you that the Sora is a diffusion model. Given input noisy patches and conditioning information like text prompt, it is trained to predict the original clean patches. Importantly, Sora is a diffusion transformer, and that is a very important distinction which we need to remember. Transformers have demonstrated remarkable scaling properties across a variety of domains, including language modeling, computer vision, and image generation. So, with Sora, they have found out that diffusion transformers scale effectively as video model as well as a lot of other examples. And if you go through their website, they that is full of nuggets that you can't get enough of it. I will just show you one thing which I really loved. This is about connecting the videos. Now, if you look here, and all of these videos, they have used Sora to gradually interpolate between two input videos, creating seamlessly transition between videos with entirely different subjects and scene composition. So, for example, in this example, the videos in the center interpolate between the corresponding videos on the left and right. So, maybe they're still loading. Let me actually reload my page. So, if you look at this, in the middle one, there is a butterfly just flying through the Colosseum. On the left hand side, it's a Colosseum, and the right hand side, butterfly. I think it's some sort of deep sea, something like that. So they have merged it similarly in all the videos. The center one is the interpolated one, and it is taking the cue from left and right. Amazing stuff. Look at this one. and it's quite heavy. I'm sorry, my system is unable to cope with that, but still. I'll drop the link to this in video's description so that you can move along. So you can see that the eyes have been replaced by this. Amazing, beautiful. So that's it, guys. Very, very impressed by this new model. I just can't wait to get my hands on it. Can't try it now. It is still not accessible for public, but as soon as it is, I'm going to make another video and show you a lot of good stuff as how to write it. I think it would be a real cool integration that to call the ChatGPT API with a prompt and then let ChatGPT create a full video from Sora and then maybe put it on YouTube or anywhere else. Happy days. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or thoughts, please put them in the comments. And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, do me a favor and share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.